Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best golf tips and recommendations. If you're a senior golfer looking for the perfect set of clubs to improve your game, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore the best golf clubs designed for senior players, including drivers, irons, wedges, putters, and complete sets. Stick around to the end to find out which clubs can make the biggest difference in your game. Why seniors need specialized golf clubs. As we age, our swing speed may decrease, and our flexibility might not be what it once was. That's why choosing the right golf clubs is crucial. The best clubs for seniors should offer white heavy checkmark lightweight design. Helps maintain club speed and reduces strain on joints. White heavy checkmark graphite shafts. More flexible than steel, allowing for better swing performance. White heavy checkmark larger sweet spot. More forgiveness on off-center hits. White heavy checkmark higher loft. Helps get the ball in the air more easily. White heavy checkmark oversized grips. Provides comfort and better control. Now, let's break it down by club type and show you the best options available. Fire. Rocket best drivers for seniors. A great driver can help you get the most distance with minimal effort. Here are our top picks for senior golfers. 1. Callaway Big Bertha B21 driver. Designed to prevent slicing and add more forgiveness. Lightweight graphite shaft to improve swing speed. Large sweet spot for more accurate drives. 2. Cobra RX offset driver. One of the lightest drivers on the market, reducing strain on your arms. Offset designed to minimize slicing and keep shots straight. High launch for better distance. 3. TaylorMade Stealth 2 HD driver. Features a carbon twist face for extra forgiveness. Lightweight construction for a comfortable swing. High launch technology for better carry distance. Pro tip. When choosing a driver, make sure it has a loft between 10.5 to 12 degrees for optimal performance. Man golfing best irons for seniors. A good set of irons can make a huge difference in your accuracy and consistency. Here are the best choices for senior golfers. 1. Cleveland Launcher XL Halo irons. Hybrid-style irons that are incredibly easy to hit. Hollow construction helps generate more power with less effort. Wider sole for better turf interaction. 2. Callaway Rogue ST Max OS irons. Designed for maximum forgiveness with a large sweet spot. Graphite shaft for increased swing speed. Wide sole for easy launch and improved accuracy. 3. Wilson Launch Pad irons. Lightweight and easy to swing. High launching design for effortless ball flight. Extra wide sole to prevent digging into the turf. Pro tip. Graphite shafts are best for seniors since they reduce vibration and provide extra swing speed. Best wedges for seniors. Wedges help you get out of tricky situations and improve your short game. Here are the top picks for senior golfers. 1. Cleveland CBX Zip Core Wedge. Cavity back design for more forgiveness. Zip core technology enhances feel and control. High spin grooves for precise shots around the green. 2. Callaway Mac Daddy CB Wedge. Offers excellent forgiveness and spin control. Cavity back design makes it easier to hit. Perfect for bunker shots and chipping around the green. Pro tip. Opt for wedges with a loft between 56 to 60 degrees for maximum versatility. Best putters for seniors. A reliable putter can save you strokes and lower your score. Check out these top choices for seniors. 1. Odyssey White Hot OG putter. Soft insert for a smooth and controlled roll. High MOI design provides stability and consistency. Classic shape for easy alignment. 2. TaylorMade Spider EX putter. Multi-material construction for extra forgiveness. High MOI design prevents twisting on mishits. Soft insert delivers a smooth roll every time. Flag and hole pro tip. Choose a putter with a large grip to reduce wrist movement and improve stability. Best complete golf sets for seniors. If you're looking for a full upgrade, here are the best complete golf sets designed for seniors. 1. Wilson Senior Profile SGI Complete Set. Lightweight graphite shafts for easy swinging. High lofted woods and hybrids for easier launch. Senior size grips for added comfort and control. 2. Cobra Fly XL Complete Set. Forgiving driver and fairway woods for maximum distance. Hybrid replacements for long irons, making shots easier. Comfortable, easy-to-handle grips, and lightweight design. Pro tip: a complete set is great for beginners or anyone looking to replace their old clubs in one go. Final thoughts: choosing the right golf clubs as a senior. Finding the best golf clubs as a senior golfer comes down to choosing lightweight, forgiving, and easy-to-hit clubs that complement your swing. Whether you need a new driver, irons, wedges, putter, or a full set, investing in the right equipment will make the game more enjoyable and improve your performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest golf tips. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite golf club? Which club should we review next? See you in the next video, and as always, keep swinging.